Hello, you can see here this is the Skmei 1251, and in this watch and in this video we are going to specifically see how we can set the time and date in this watch. So for that you have to use this button here, right? If you just press it, it's as if it doesn't work, and also you'll have to use this button. If you press it now, it will just shift your watch from 12-hour to 24-hour mode, and apart from that it doesn't do anything when you press it now. Okay, but to change time you have to keep pressing this button. You have to long press this button. Now you can see the seconds portion of the watch is blinking. You press this, it will reset. So this is the button to change stuff. Okay, but from seconds to shift to minutes you have to press this button. When you press it, now you can see it's now, it went to hours and then it came to minutes. When it's on the minutes, you press this to increase the minutes. Okay, and you press it again. Now since we have passed hour and now we are on minutes, if you press it again, now it goes to the year, right? 2006 it was. Now we move on to 2020 and 21. You can set that in that way. Okay, now to change it from year to date, right? Now here the month is blinking. You can change it. Now you press it again. Now the date will blink. Okay, so to set everything up, you press this button. Now all set. Right, now you have set everything up, and that's the process of setting time and date in Skmei 1251 watch. Thank you. See you in another video.